still full green. That's gonna grow more. This is big, huge. Scorpion is, I love it. It tastes like strawberry, and they give you fruit in the winter time. After all the variety give you fruit, this one start after September. I get the fruit in October and November. Now we are even December, we have fruit. Oh, beautiful color. This is scorpion. Winter dragon fruit. Now it's January 10, and look how beautiful is it. Adding to my dinner tonight. Scorpion. Wow, this is strawberry. I love it. Very sweet. Tasty fruit. So delicious. January 10, winter time. Candy. So beautiful, so tasty.